sa ating mundo. Natatandaan, di malilimutan, kailanman, kailanman. Lahat ng bago sa araw na to, pagdating mo sa buhay ko, lahat sumaya, buhay ko'y nag-iba. Happy birthday! Ang saya ng mundo ngayong ikaw ay narito. I wish you a happy birthday. Ang araw na to ay araw mo, pagdating mo sa ating mundo. Natatandaan, di malilimutan. I wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ang araw na to ay araw mo, pagdating mo sa ating mundo. Natatandaan, di malilimutan. I wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Baby, kung magka-amnesia ka, I'll probably, to remember me, I'll bring you to Novo kung saan tayo nag-inuman first. Then I'm gonna let Leandro sing yung pinaka-magandang kanta niya. Ang ganda boses niya din. Tsaka, I'm gonna bring a bucket of beer. Tatagayan lang kita, that's it. You will remember me for sure pag nalasing ako. Corny. I love you, baby. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Macy, happy birthday.
Hindi ka ata happy sa sisiya mo. Malungkot ka ba?
Happy birthday, ha. And I love you, yeah. At saka, kung
What's tsaka?
Sabi nila, i-answer ko daw kung
Nagka-amnesia ka?
Mag-amnesia ka. Ang sabi ko, kung mag-amnesia ka, isa lang ang word na sasabihin ko. Sisi! Sisi! Love you! Bye-bye.
Simple. Kakanta lang ako ng basta't kasama kita, lahat magagawa, lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Yun, maalala niya ako.
Bakit naman?
Kasi marami kang pinagdaanan tapos kinakanta namin yung song.
Weh! Anyhow, just a little birthday greeting for her.
Okay, Macy, happy birthday, and speechless. Well, happy birthday. Enjoy your day during your birthday, and I know that God will grant you many more birthdays. So again, enjoy life. Happy birthday.
Kurutin yung pizza. Kurutin yung pizza.
Ano?
Kurutin yung pizza mo, Mace, para ma-remember mo lahat.
Tama yan. Ikaw, El.
Lubot.
Ano gagawin yung sa lubot niya?
Papak ko na lubot na. Balik na.
Tapos ano sabihin mo? Tell me who's your daddy. Tell me who's your daddy.
Ano yun? Squatter.
Ikaw, Jun. Gourmet lagi. Gourmet lagi. Gourmet lagi.
Macy, happy birthday. Happy birthday sa Nikit.
Happy birthday to us, Macy. Dungat ang duwang. Partner in crime.
Huwag tagasin na. Sino ko yung kamera? O, Jonel.
Puro nili ko mapila na. Happy birthday, Mace. Maim na, Maim.
Aim na. Aim na, mi.
Okay, Mace.
Birthday si Muaron of Makua.
Go.
Hi, Macy. Happy birthday. Well, message? What with me? Enjoy life. I know you're beautiful in every single way. Live life to the fullest. That's it. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday!
May birthday nyo naman, pagbigyan mo naman yung babae.
Sabi ka naman ang play.
Okay, play, Banks, play. Okay, this is Banks and Tony Lights.
Sinabi mo sana para nag-make up ako. Enjoy Boracay.
Tony, baka may gusto kong enjoy Boracay. Pag bigla ka naging shadow. And please welcome Miss Carla Lane.
Hi, Macy. Sinabi mo sana para naka-make up ako.
Tapos may sinabi ka pa kanina isa. Tapos,
Ha?
yung sinabi mas, ano?
Mas maganda ako, Macy.
Hoy, birthday niya,
Hoy,
pagbigyan mo, bilis.
Happy birthday, bakla.
Yun lang? Yun lang?
Anong sasabihin ko? Diba?
Okay, yun na pala. Oh, sige.
I love you.
Hey, baboy. Yung pizza mo. Ha? Hey, happy birthday. Many birthdays to come. Bye-bye. Alright, since it's Macy's birthday, what can you say to her?
You are the best.
Alright, Jock Gilbert. Okay, Brian, what can you say to Macy Boyd? It's her birthday. Kaya, say something, Brian. Oy, you're so biyatan. Brian.
I don't have anything to say.
Okay. Just even happy birthday? Come on. Casey, say something.
Oh my God. It's your birthday, Macy. Happy birthday.
Rudy, Macy's birthday. What can you say? Macy Boyd. Para sa 13 month to, just ano.
Prepare ka agad.
Boss Wall, can you say something for Macy? It's going to be her birthday on the 13th, so Macy Boyd, it's going to be her birthday on the 13th, but this is going to be just like a video clip that we're going to do to surprise her, ba? So can you say something? Just don't blow up the surprise now. Okay?
Some more marketing services. You have a better happy birthday.
Alright. Thank you, boss.
What is that?
Okay, Nikolai, say something for Macy Boyd.
For Macy?
Alright, go ahead.
Where are you, Macy?
What's up,
Please
y'all?
explain.
Macy, we miss you. Happy birthday. You know we love you.
This is going to be on the 13th, right? But this is just going to be a video clip. Go
Macy,
ahead.
happy birthday.
What's up,
Sana lang
y'all?
baka, diba?
Where is our celebration box?
I thought
We're waiting. After your Boracay this weekend.
you're going with them, right?
No,
Why? You cancel?
I don't have the money like this.
Alright.
Happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Talk to me.
Hey, basic girl. How you doing? Happy birthday.
Go ahead.
Grace, hello, happy birthday. And girl, I know that you'll be leaving Cebu. You'll be going to Boracay. Enjoy your trip. I love you so much, girl. I really miss you. Ato ka sa house. Naka-aircon ko tayo. Love you.
Ay, ma, happy birthday. Love you.
Hi friendship, Mira Grace Mahait, Macy Boyd, happy birthday. I love you so much, and we've been friends for quite a long time, and I feel that I'm part with your family and with my family as well, and I really really love you, and happy birthday, wish you all the best.
Natuyo pa na.
Natuyo pa ko, Grace. And para madumduman mo ko, kita mo ng coke? Amo nang lawas mo, di ba, hambal ko? Katungsakan ba?
Ano ka laing?
Happy birthday, guys!
Hello, Gracie. Siyempre si Inday ni. Yun, pull out na ko ni Leandro, okay? This is so impromptu. Okay. Kung mag-amnesia ka, nimuon ko, para ma-remind mo ko, mambala ko, perfect! Para madumduman mo ko. Okay? Happy birthday from me and Kim. Love you. Enjoy Bora. Bye.
Hi, Mang. Happy birthday. I wish you the best. Stay just the way you are. We love you.
Hi Gracie, happy birthday. I'm so thankful that I met you, and I can still remember the first day we met, and you were able to satisfy my thirst of friendship. So thank you so much and happy birthday. I love you. Mwah.
Hi, Manang Grace. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Stay
sexy and happy.
Stay sexy and happy and
love you.
Love you.
My friend, happy birthday. Hindi ko katag sa lechon sa imo subong pag-birthday lang sa imong first baby. Okay? Happy birthday.
So, hi Ate Gracie. Happy birthday. I really miss you so much.
Round 3, I'll never get tired of saying happy birthday. As long as it's for you, Manang. Yes. Happy birthday and more blessings to come. Lapit na kita mag-abdanay. Ay mag-abdanay sa kagwapa. Watch out. Happy birthday, Gapon. I love you. Mwah. You saw me too.
Wow. Happy birthday, Mang! Wish you all the best and all the love in the world. Dani magustuhan mo ning video nga ginimo ko. Love you!
Araw na to ay araw mo. Pagdating mo sa ating mundo, natatandaan, di malilimutan, kailan